Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I am Anna and today we are creating a fall look. Apparently I want to go for dead leaves on my face was the vibe. I don't know, but that's where we are. And here's the look I created today. So anyway, if you want to see how I got this look using the Yucca palette from Natasha Denona as well as the Jane Iredale eyeshadow stick in Americano and some brown liner and a nice little toasty lip. Just go ahead and keep on watching. Before you do, don't forget to like and subscribe. Let me know down below some looks for fall you want to see. What are some colors that are speaking to you? Also, new fall palette launches. Are we excited? Aptly in Love by Too Faced. Kind of digging it. Kind of digging it. New from Natasha Denona. The I Need a Warm palette. Let me know your thoughts down below. And without further ado, let's go ahead and get into some fall makeup. Alright, let's do some fall makeup with the Yucca palette and the Jane Iredale Colorlux eyeshadow stick in Americano. We're going to start with this and use that as our base. We're going burnt leaf or dead leaf. Yeah, that's the vibe. Leaning into kind of the yellows. So I'm going to start to take this on the lid here. Eyes are primed. Brows are kind of on. And let that bit out here and onto the lid. And I'm going to soften this up with a little small brush. I'm going to jump over to kind of a little like lay down brush and really soften the edge out a little bit more. And I think I'm going to build up a little bit more as well. And just pulling up and softly blending it as I go. Just a nice little kind of feathering motion. Just kind of let that all over the lid and blended, buffed up and out. Now, what I'm going to do is jump over to the Yucca palette from Natasha Denona, and we're going to go into the shade called Valley, which is this one right here. Y'all, I am so excited about the I Need a Warm palette, and yes, I still need to get the gold palette. I will be getting the gold palette and the I Need a Warm. If you want to pick something up from Natasha Denona, don't forget that I do have an affiliate code in the description box down below, and it will save you 10 or 15% off your purchase, and I make a little commission, so it's a win-win. Anyway, let's take a little bit of Valley. I'm going with that same little lay down brush from Sonia Kashuk, and I'm going to start to pat that all over the lid here. Also, have you guys seen Nomad Cosmetics fall palette? How pretty is that? I think it's so pretty. Do I need it? No. I'm trying to talk myself out of it. But those reds and the yellows in it are calling to me. And I think the theme is just so beautiful. Mount Fuji in the fall, I would have never thought. And what a genius idea. Love it. Absolutely love it. And the Too Faced Aptly in Love palette, I don't know why, but that palette is absolutely speaking to me for some reason. And I'm like, I kind of want it. I will be going out of town in a couple weeks to Baton Rouge, so I might try to hit up an Ulta there. I know the Mall of Louisiana has a big Sephora in it, but I don't want to go to the Mall of Louisiana because it's a nightmare. It will depend on how my bag feels. I'm taking a fluffy brush now and just really diffusing that edge with just a touch of Valley on it. But yeah, if my back is up to it, I might venture in there. Now, I want to take a bit of the shade called Fushi. This one right here. That pretty yellow on this brush. And I'm going to come right here into that socket. Use that to really blend out Valley. Yep, dead leaf. I've created a dead leaf on my eyes. Bring in just a little bit more Valley here. There's a nice flow between the two shades. Keeping the eyes pretty much matte today, by the way. I'm gonna take a brown liner Take this one from NYX. It's one of the Epic Wear liners in brown. Come right at the lash line. And grab a little angled brush and be in the shade called Flax, which is deep brown right there. And we're gonna bring that right at that lash line. And pat that over that liner and diffuse it up and out. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and do my complexion and all of that, and then we'll be back for some lower lash line and finishing touches. Complete the look. I will see you in just a minute. And we're back. It is time to do lower lash line. I just set down my face, put a bit of bronzer on, foundation, all of that. Everything I use today will be listed and linked below. Foundation is the Maybelline Skin Tint. Powder is the Lottie London Ready Set Go. Pink brightening powder on the under eyes. The rest of the face is Kosas Cloud Set. Bronzer is Charlotte Tilbury Beautiful Skin Sunkissed Glow Bronzer. Concealer is the NYX Fix Stick and L'Oreal Age Perfect Radiant Cream Concealer. Alright, let's do this under eye. Going back to Natasha Denona and my eyeliner. I'm going to take the brown eyeliner first. And what I want to do is run that along the lower lash line and in the waterline down here. Be pretty gentle here. And bring that on down just a little bit. Alright, and I'm going to blend that out. And just soften that up. Alright, and then we'll take the shade Flax that we used at the lash line and come under here. And now I'm going to go to my little smudgy brush and let's grab some of Valley. This one right here. And kind of blend everything with that. Just going to take a little bit more brown liner. Come all the way in here. Alright, and I'm going to grab just a little bit of our mustard color. Just under here. And just soften that up and diffuse that. And now let's do some blush and highlighter. For highlighter, I want to use the L'Oreal Infallible in Icy Gold. I believe this is Icy Gold. And this is what's beautiful, kind of duochromatic, opalescent. Goes from a light gold to a kind of a peach shade. It is very, very pretty, very unique. In person, it is very cool, especially on the skin. So let's pop a little bit of this on. Little brush here. See, it brings a little bit of like a peachy glow in. That's unexpected. And I'm kind of keeping it a little soft, not over applying it or anything. But yeah, just nice little glow. I'm gonna take my little tiny brush here again, and I'm gonna take some of this highlighter and come right on the inner corner. Yeah, that's nice. Make sure the brow bone. And for blush today, Maccorm Soul, I think will be perfect. It feels right today. Feels like the blush we need and the blush we deserve. And warm the cheeks up a bit. Give some color, bring some life in. I'm gonna pull in a little bit of some Buttermelt bronzer in all butted up. Alright, I'm gonna do some mascara off camera. I'm gonna use the Maybelline Firework Mascara. I'm gonna touch up my brows and we'll be right back for the lips. Just finished up doing the brows and some mascara. Yeah, So here we are in my brows. I used the Lottie London Mega Brow Shaping Wax today, testing it out. And also to set my under eyes, I forgot to mention, I used the Lottie London Ready Set Go under eye setting powder in the light brightening pink. Pretty nice. I'm actually really enjoying the powder. And yeah, I just got a little bit of the lip oil from Lottie London on at the moment, but we're gonna go ahead and take that off and do our lips for today, and got the hair zhuzhed out. I'm gonna line my lips with MAC Cork. And I'm gonna go in with Maybelline Color Sensational and Crazy for Coffee, because I think that's a really good color for this look. Right? I think it is. All right, fall look all complete for the beginning of fall. I'm so happy. Look, it's like 90 degrees today versus 100 and something, so, and not as much humidity in the air. It's fall. It's fall in Louisiana, girl. If it's below 95, it's fall here. I apparently wanted to do a dead leaf look on my eyeballs, and that's kind of what we went for, and I love it. I think it came out really pretty. It's sultry. It kind of has a little bit of that latte makeup look to it, I guess you could say. And yeah, pairing it with a softer brown lip. I like it. Right. So let me know your thoughts down below, and are you ready for the fall season? Girl, I'm so ready. I'm so ready. And yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Stay safe. Bye now.